Rio de Janeiro's iconic Copacabana beach, covered with hundreds of body bags, a tribute to the 400,000 Brazilians who lost their lives to COVID-19.
We cannot accept these deaths quietly. If we do, we will be accomplices of the crimes committed by those who govern us. That's why we staged this awareness campaign.
Antônio Carlos blames President Jair Bolsonaro for downplaying the virus and delaying the vaccine rollout.
Em plena pandemia.
While people were dying and starving, he was riding a jet ski and participating in anti-democratic protests to shut down Congress and the Supreme Court. But he was only able to do this because he still has the support of many Brazilians.
Every hour, the group held a symbolic funeral, a reminder that the pandemic in Brazil is spreading rapidly and is far from over. Vaccine shortages have put the inoculation campaign on hold in many cities. Brazil's health minister, Marcelo Queiroga, made an appeal during a World Health Organization briefing on Friday.
We're calling again on those who have vaccine surplus to share it with Brazil as soon as possible so we can move forward, broaden our vaccination campaign, contain the pandemic at this critical time, and avoid the proliferation of new variants.
Brazil is the second country in the world to have reached the grim milestone of 400,000 deaths by COVID-19. But it's not the only country in the region facing difficulties. Latin America as a whole is taking a turn for the worse.
The region accounts for more than 1/3 of coronavirus deaths in the world, but only has 1/8 of the population.
Today, most of the countries in the southern cone and the Andean region are going through new peaks of transmission. Countries like Peru, Ecuador, Bolivia, Argentina, Uruguay, and Guyana are reporting a dramatic rise in infections, and their health services are overwhelmed.
Infections in Colombia are also rising, and hospitals in big cities like Bogotá and Medellin are running out of beds. Yanakiew, Al Jazeera, Rio de Janeiro.